If you are wondering if you can insert a microSD card into Xiaomi 17T, then the answer is unfortunately no. So as you can see here, I have removed the SIM tray from Xiaomi 17T, and the microSD card slot is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, and there is no slot made for microSD card. There is simply no way to use it. So unfortunately, in this case, if you want to use microSD card, if you want to access the storage of your memory card, then you need to use an additional accessory, like for example this one over here. This is a memory card reader where we can insert microSD card, and we have the USB-C cable, so we can connect it to the phone and then you can access the microSD card storage. I know this is very inconvenient to use on a daily basis, and that's of course not the point to have this tool constantly connected to the phone, but more like it's an alternative method that allows you to access the microSD card storage whenever you have to access it, when you want to, for example, open some files or transfer some data between the phone and the microSD card. But other than that, unfortunately, you cannot really use the microSD card with Xiaomi 17T. Leave a like and subscribe.